In the video for today, I'm going to share with you an amazing idea with which you can avoid losing your laptop. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you're not, the video is going to cheer you up. So, in order for you to ensure that your laptop is not misplaced or stolen in the first place, you need to be cautious, of course, right? Because imagine this, your laptop being stolen and you have important data out there which you would want nobody else to get their hands on. That's going to be a pain for you, right, later on. So in order for you to ensure that your laptop is not misplaced or stolen in the first place, what I would recommend you to do is use a Bluetooth tracker. So these days you get a lot of Bluetooth trackers that are actually able to track a laptop that is actually away from you or actually away from it. So it's a very interesting technology wherein you connect the tracker through Bluetooth via the app on the laptop, and when your laptop is away from the tracker, so say supposing your laptop is kept in a restaurant and your tracker is on a keychain and you are moving away from the laptop, so which means or indicates that you have probably forgotten about your laptop in the restaurant. So as soon as you move away from the laptop at a specific distance, the tracker would sound an alarm. And if your laptop is on, it may also sound an alarm. You need to ensure one very important thing. Your tracker should have a Find Me button, or a button which you press on the tracker and the alarm sounds. Of course, most trackers would sound an alarm automatically if you move away from the laptop at a specific distance. So you could do a Google search for trackers, and you could go ahead and buy any trackers that best suits your budget. I would be leaving links for specific trackers that are super useful, that has this alarm feature when it moves away from your laptop and all those things with a nominal price. So I hope you see how important this is, because if you do take this seriously, you are not going to lose your laptop or misplace it in the first place. Take care, my friend.